An instructor can assign a set of programming exercises as graded work. For example, in our sample course, we can see that there is a pending assignment named EX4. We can click on the Solve Them Now button to see the specific exercises that have been assigned. A programming exercise consists of a short description that directs a student to write a few lines of code, or a function, or even a full class. This one, for instance, has the student write code that counts the number of values in a list that are greater than 50. I'll press the Solve It button, which opens up a small editor into which the student can enter their solution. Instructors, however, also have this Load Correct Solution button in case you want to cut to the chase. I'll take advantage of that now. The correct solution is loaded, or should I say a correct solution. There are sometimes multiple ways to solve a problem, of course, and the correct solution displayed may show alternative approaches in comments. When we check the solution, the system runs tests on it of various types. This one, for instance, first verifies that the solution is assigning a value to the specified variable. Then it runs the code against several lists and verifies the results. If the student has an error, for instance, I'll remove this colon, and check it again. And we're told there's a syntax error to be fixed. Or perhaps the student used the wrong relational operator. Then some tests would pass while others wouldn't. Students are encouraged to analyze the test results and update their solution until all tests are passed. Unlike quick check assignments, wrong answers are not counted against you on programming exercises. This is a different kind of learning, encouraging students to trace and debug code. It embraces the idea that errors are part of the process. So as long as the student starts early enough, there's no reason they shouldn't be able to overcome any issues, perhaps with help from you or a TA, and get full credit for the assignment, hopefully learning a lot in the process. Now let's go to the Course Assignments page. Here we see the programming exercise assignments that have already been created. The drop-down menu on each lets you edit an existing assignment, for instance, or you can create a new exercise assignment with this button. This page lets you specify some information about the assignment, and then lets you pick the exercises you want to include. The right-hand side of the page lists all the public exercises available for the book, Refactor Python in this case. And you can click on the arrow next to the ones you want to add them to the left side, which represents the exercises you've chosen for the assignment. As you're deciding, you can open up an exercise right here to see the solution and run the tests. You can filter the list of potential exercises in various ways, using tags, for instance, or by searching the title and description, or by complexity. You might choose to exclude the exercises that are used for DIY exercises in the topics, among other options. Once you have the set of exercises you want, you can save the assignment and it will appear in the list on the Assignments page. As an instructor, you can also define your own exercises, and even offer to share a version of your exercises with other Refactor instructors. Programming exercise assignments are a key element in the Refactor approach.